Hello, today we will guide you through HubSpot WhatsApp Integration Connect, Message, and Automate with WhatsApp. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to begin connecting WhatsApp to HubSpot so you can manage conversations and support automation from inside your CRM. This setup starts in your HubSpot account settings and only takes a few moments to begin. Start by opening the HubSpot homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. This is where HubSpot keeps your account and workspace configuration options, including communication channels and inbox tools. Click on Settings to enter the configuration area. After the settings page loads, move over to the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to scroll down carefully until you find the section for inbox-related options. Depending on your account layout, this section may be grouped with other communication tools, so take a moment to scan the menu if you don't see it right away. When you locate inboxes, click on it. This will open the inbox management area, where HubSpot lets you control the channels your team uses to receive and respond to messages. If you already have an inbox set up, you'll be taken directly into its channel settings. If not, the layout may still guide you toward adding a new communication source. Next, look toward the top right area of the page and click Connect a Channel. This is the option that allows you to add new messaging platforms and communication methods to your HubSpot inbox. It's the starting point for linking external channels like WhatsApp so messages can flow into HubSpot. After that, select WhatsApp from the list of available channel options. Choosing WhatsApp tells HubSpot which type of integration you want to set up and prepares the system to guide you through the connection process. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. HubSpot will walk you through the remaining connection prompts, and you should carefully review each screen as you go. Make sure you follow the instructions exactly as they appear, since the final steps may vary depending on your account permissions, inbox configuration, or WhatsApp business setup. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to have the necessary business access ready before starting, so the process goes smoothly without interruptions. Once complete, your WhatsApp channel will be connected inside HubSpot, allowing you to centralize conversations and support messaging workflows more efficiently. That's it for this guide.